हेलो फ्रेंड। ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका, गैलियम आर्सेनाइड इज यूज्ड इन द फैब्रिकेशन ऑफ गन डायोड because less than forbidden energy gap. D is the right answer. The resonance frequency of an impact diode is given by the A is the right answer. Gallium arsenide is used in the fabricating gun diode. Gun diode is A is the right answer. Bulk device. The Cryston tube used in a Cryston amplifier is a linear beam type beam amplifier is the right answer. The operating condition for gun diode, if diode work in stable amplification mode, both first and second is the right answer. Next question, when the applied electric field exceeds the threshold value, electrons absorb more energy from the field and becomes is the right answer. Hot electrons. The number of semiconductor layers is impact diode is a C is the right answer. Application of gun diode C is the right answer. First and second both. Silicon and germanium are called indirect gap semiconductors. B is the right answer. Parametric amplifier is a low noise amplifier. A is the right answer. The Barrett diode has long drift regions is the right answer. The number of semiconductor layer is trap-pad diode is 3 is the right answer. Full form of Barrett barrier injected transit time is the right answer. For gun diode, gallium arsenide is preferred to silicon because the former E has a suitable empty energy band which silicon doesn't have is the right answer. When the electric field applied to gallium arsenide specimen is less than the threshold value, electric field, the current in the material A is the right answer increases linearly. The electrode of a gun diode are made of the is the right answer. Which diode behavior is governed by the bulk effect? Gun diode is the right answer. To prevent an impaired diode from burning, a constant bias source is used to maintain at safe limit average current is the right answer. The amplifier with the lowest noise is the right answer. Parametric amplifier. Negative resistance is obtained with a gun diode because of the electron transfer to a less mobile energy level is the right answer. When a reverse bias voltage exceeding the breakdown voltage is applied to an impaired diode, its result in avalanche multiplication is the right answer. The mode of operation in which the gun diode is not stable is gun oscillation mode is the right answer. When a reverse bias voltage exceeding the breakdown voltage is applied to an impaired diode, its result in avalanche multiplications. Parametric amplifier operates by the behavior of is the right answer, linear reactance. Which of the following device has the negative resistance characteristics? Gun diode is the right answer. A diode with no junctions that's widely used with a cavity resonator to form a microwave oscillator is the gun diode. D is the right answer. Indium phosphorus used in the construction of gun diode are called indirect gap semiconductor. B is the right answer. One of the following modes of operation in a knot of gun diode, the depletion mode. D is the right answer. Which of the following exhibit transfer electron for generation of microwave? D is the right answer. Gallium arsenide. Is an amplifier construction using a device whose reactance vary to reduce amplification? B is the right answer. Parametric amplifier. The number of mode of operation for N-type gallium arsenide is 4. C is the right answer. A varactor diode may not be useful at microwave frequency as an oscillator is the right answer. The most powerful solid state microwave device is IMPACT. B is the right answer. Varactor diode is a semiconductor diode in which can be varied as a function of reverse voltage of the diode junction capacitance. B is the right answer. The biggest advantage of tapered diode over the IMPACT diode is its higher efficiency. B is the right answer. The transfer electron bulk effect occurs in the gallium arsenide. C is the right answer. The basic principle of gun diode oscillator is C is the right answer. Negative resistance. Full form of trapped diode is a trapped plasma avalanche triggered transient. B is the right answer. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो और भी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेकर आएंगे आपके लिए पार्ट 3, पार्ट 4, पार्ट 5। ओके, तो आप लोग कंटिन्यू वॉच करते रहिए। कोई फीडबैक हो, कोई सजेशन देना हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट जरूर टाइप करिएगा। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।